Go to your main menu and then press the wash icon, which is on the bottom right. Then we're going to go for a strong one, and there you go, it tells you how many tablets you need to add. So next, remove all your shelving and then have access to the fan. Pop your 5 wash tablets in there. So these ones are in the red foil packaging. Make sure they sit nicely in there, okay? And there you go, they're all sat in there nicely. Then you're going to put your 1 packet of care tablets in the drawer at the bottom. So just squeeze them in. Notice I'm using gloves here because obviously it's rather caustic. So pop them in there and then just close that up. Then once that's all done, literally all you have to do is close the door and leave it going. This one's about 3.5 hours, so we've got a really strong wash here. Once it's done, you'll hear a buzzer. Watch out, it will still be hot inside, and there you go. Lovely, clean and sparkly. And don't forget to click and subscribe to Wax Cooks. Cheers, thank you.